How to cast phone to Windows 11 PC. Open Settings. Click on System. Scroll down. Click on Projecting to this PC. Click on Option feature. Click on View feature. Search for wireless display. Mark it and click Next. Then click on Add. The wireless display feature will be enabled. After that, go back to Projecting to this PC option. Now click on it to launch wireless display. Now go to your phone. Connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network as your laptop or computer. Open Control Panel, find Cast icon, and then click on it. Select your laptop or computer from the list of available devices. Your phone screen will be cast or mirrored to your laptop or computer. And that's how you can cast phone to Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching.